Your message as a speaker is worthless without a system. Look, if you can't explain how you get a result, then no one's gonna trust you. If you say, you can do this, but they go, how? And you go, I promise you can, nobody's gonna listen to you. The truth is, your ability to deliver on your promise is the core piece of what makes you valuable. You gotta have a structure, genuine structure to what you do. And when you have this, now you're trustable. You can actually provide a result. And here's the thing, there is no better marketing for your company as a speaker than when somebody got a result from your speaking in the past, right? So having clear, repeatable systems, things woven in, that's what's going to be a game changer. Having a system is the key. And when your message is tied that way, you become a person that genuinely can make 6 and 7 figures as a speaker because you are bringing value at that level and beyond for every stage you grace.